So, 8K from the new Max 2 looks great. It's now way more realistic to cut together with other 4K footage without it looking soft like it did with the original Max 1. But here's what no one is talking about or telling you in the press release reviews. When it actually comes to using this camera, especially as I do for motorcycle vlogging, I think both this and the latest Hero cameras are head and shoulders above the competition, and here's why. It's the bare-faced biker! GoPro Labs, available for the Max 2 straight out the door. GoPro Labs are awesome. They unlock loads of extra features for different use cases, and for me, there are some really key ones to how I use the cameras on the bike. You can quickly set the time and date just through a QR code. You can have power on when you connect the power cable. You can ignore the USB power check so it just works. There's loads of different options. Check it out. The GoPro remote. It's absolutely fantastic. It stays connected to the camera at least 95% of the time, and the battery life, even when I have it on all day during a bike trip, lasts at least a week if not more. It's far, far superior to anything from Insta. And here's the cherry on the cake. I even managed to find some 3D print designs for a handlebar holder for the remote online. Check out the link in the description. The pass-through door, available for the Max 2 from day one. No magnetic power cable that's awesome on the Hero 11 on still, but still great. It means I can wire it up on the motorbike and not have to worry about the battery during a trip at all. Awesome. Colour matching with other GoPro footage. If you use the same settings in both cameras, colour matching, even using auto adjust features in Final Cut Pro and the like, comes out with pretty even results. All the complaints about the GoPro app. Apart from editing short pieces on the road, who cares? For desktop editing, the GoPro batch editor is all you need. Just choose your direction lock and horizon level settings and batch to equirectangular projection. Then you can import straight into Final Cut Pro or whatever editor you want. Why would you want a two-step editing process when this allows you to make infinite changes as part of your main editing workflow? For me, it makes the GoPro editor irrelevant and redundant. So there you have it. For motovlogging, whilst not quite perfect, the GoPro ecosystem offers some key benefits that other manufacturers mostly don't come close to. Now, if they could just sort out the random missing audio.